This Paramount Homes Real Estate Company property video is presented by Mary Ruffin. Beautiful well-maintained home on approximately 1.28 acres, Mole. This home is located in the Rolling Oaks Addn and sits on an amazing lot located on the 11th hole of Oakwood Country Club golf course. A gorgeous yard with lots of mature trees and fresh landscaping awaits your arrival. 2 spacious living areas with fireplaces and floor-to-ceiling windows that make these rooms bright, extra inviting and allow spectacular views of the backyard and golf course. Formal dining area, updated kitchen with granite countertops and lots of storage and cooking prep space. This home features 1.5-story in-law floor plan with 6 large bedrooms, 4.5 baths, inside utility and office/study. Experience the luxury of all the wonderful outdoor space this property provides, to include a greenhouse and basketball court. Indulge and relax while entertaining guests near or in the spectacular in-ground pool. Don't let this one slip away. A wonderful opportunity is waiting for a new owner. Shingles were replaced in 2015 with a 50 years Gerard stone-coated steel roof system. For more